Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram to GoHighLevel. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to manage your Instagram content, schedule posts, and track engagement directly from your GoHighLevel dashboard, streamlining your social media workflow all in one place. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once the page loads, look for the login button on the homepage and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. After entering your credentials, click Sign In to access your GoHighLevel dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your marketing activities. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left side navigation panel. You'll see various options listed there, and what you're looking for is the one labeled Marketing. Click on Marketing to open up your marketing management page. This section houses all your promotional tools and social media integrations. Once you're on the marketing page, shift your attention to the top menu bar. Here you'll find an option called Social Planner. Click on it and you'll be taken to the Social Planner page where GoHighLevel displays all the social media platforms you can integrate with. You'll see options for Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Google Business Profile, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, and even your own GoHighLevel community group. This variety gives you tremendous flexibility in managing multiple platforms from one location. From this selection, click on Instagram. A pop-up menu will appear presenting you with two integration choices, Instagram with Facebook or Direct Instagram integration. For our purposes, select Direct Instagram integration, then click Select. This option provides a more streamlined connection specifically for Instagram management. A new window will now appear asking you to switch to a professional account, which is required for this integration to work properly. Click the button labeled Change. You'll then be guided through several questions to set up your professional account. When asked which option best describes you, select Business, then click Next. Take a moment to read through the information presented on the following page, and once you've reviewed everything, click Next to proceed. Finally, you'll need to select a category that best represents your business. Use the search bar at the top of the page to make this process quicker and more efficient. Once you've found and selected the appropriate category, click Done. Your Instagram account is now successfully connected to GoHighLevel, and you can start managing your Instagram presence directly from the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.